Hi everyone. Okay, today I'm going to teach you how to make quicksand. Quicksand, you know, is that thick sand but watery stuff you see in movies that you can tend to get your feet stuck, or cars and cartoons and stuff like that. So this is kind of a fun little way to make your own and kind of experiment and play with it at home, and also in the classroom, kind of show your parents, that kind of thing. So today, the great thing about this is all you need is 4 things. First is maize corn flour. So went to a local Walmart. This was like $1.88. Obviously for a classroom size, you probably get a bigger bag because for each experiment you need a full cup of this. So I have half a cup measured out. So this is the second thing you need. The third thing you need is a spoon. Pretty basic. And then the fourth is a container. Now, for classroom sizes, I'd probably do a big container, as you'll kind of see later. But for just showing you simple purposes, just got this little container right here. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get a full cup of your corn flour. So this is half a cup, so you need how many? 2 to equal 1 full cup. Alright, so kind of scoop it out here. Make sure it's measured across the top. Dump it in here. Another cup. Again, measured it out across the top, as you can kind of, the lighting's a little bad, see here. Dump that in. Now, I'm going to add some water. So I just kind of got a water bottle on the side to show you. So we're going to put our water in here. We're going to dump it in. Now what we're going to do, got your spoon, we're going to stir this around. Stirring it around. So you'll see it's starting to get a little thicker. Now it needs a little bit more water because it's kind of chunky a little bit, so we're going to measure out another half a cup of water. So we're going to stir that around. Trying to get this goopy, thick sand material. See how it's chunking up? Now, to make it fun, or change it up a little bit, you can also add some food coloring to it. Make it red or blue or green, just to kind of make it more fun for the kids. But this is what it will end up looking like. So we have a big container. Now, I'll try and show you here. See how it's kind of got that sandy, goopy, runny face? So I'll show you. When you have that, see how the spoon kind of slowly sinks into. Now I'm not pushing on it, that's just exactly how it goes. You pull slowly back out, kind of leaves a little divot. So again, it's a quick, fun way to make quicksand. Now if you add just the right amount of water, it becomes very thick and you stir it really, really, really quickly. This happens because the corn flour grains are mixed up and can't decide over each other due to the lack of water between them. So that's kind of why you see that goopy, thicky thing happening. Now stirring it slowly allows the water to move in between the particles. It's kind of back to our lesson on solid, liquid, and gas. You know, on a solid, all the particles are really, really, really tight together. The liquid kind of spread out a little bit, and gas all over the place. Poking it quickly has the same effect, making the substance very hard. So you could start and show your students, you could get toothpicks and kind of poke it in to see how slowly they grab into the moisture, and then how quickly you can pull them out if they get stuck. It doesn't usually mix in the mixture the same way. It kind of leaves it a little bit more runny. So So yeah, so that's kind of my experiment that I wanted to show you. I think it'd be a great way for the kids. Like I said, add some food coloring, get a big bucket, you know, have maybe split in some groups, kind of have a bunch kind of doing some things. I think it'd also be kind of really cool to get either like the little toy soldiers or little dinosaurs and kind of make it its own habitat. Maybe with older kids such as 5th grade, you could kind of teach them, okay, go home, find some facts for me about 5 facts about dinosaurs and 5 facts about quicksand. How did they relate to it? Could they survive in it, or did they get stuck? With my younger ones, I wouldn't really suggest the whole research kind of checking out idea for them. I would bring in different types of dirt maybe, go outside, and this is our basic soil. This is where water and plants live, worms, stuff like that, and then show them what regular sand looks like. And then from there, kind of combine the two and show, okay, well, this is quicksand. We'll talk about rain, you know, when it rains outside, kind of how it forms together and gets like goopy, sticky substance, kind of like that. So I really hope you enjoyed the experiment as much as I did and can take it to your class and kind of teach them and show them some things. Hope you have a good day.